Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How are you doing today? I am so happy you are here joining me today. I have a special surprise for you. We are going to try, I know I am, to decorate our bath bombs with mica. We're going to paint them. Isn't that great? But before we get started with this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. Do you realize today is Monday? I'm sorry. It's Shout Out Monday. Shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. Shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. Today's shout out, loyal subscriber, goes to you. That's right. I'm giving my shout out Monday to all of my subscribers, all of you. Mwah. I love you all. Keep tuning in with me Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Okay? I appreciate you and thank you. This shout out Monday goes to you. Shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so this is exciting. I have never done this before. So we are going to do this together. I have a cup here, just an empty cup. Okay. Here's one of the bath bombs. This is lemon to my lime that was made with lemongrass essential oil that we made the other day. Oh, let me take it out so you know. This is a bath bomb. Okay. Yeah, that smells really good. But I'm going to leave it in there like this so I have like some type of support. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Let's go over the recipe. Okay, the recipe for this bath bomb that we made. 1 cup of baking soda, a 1/2 cup of citric acid, 1/2 cup of corn starch, 1/2 cup of Epsom salt or sea salt, 3 teaspoons of castor oil, which I feel that was too much. So you might want to start with 2, it's too wet. 1 teaspoon of essential oil or your fragrant oil of your choice. 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or rubbing alcohol. You might not need any of that, okay? Real simple and easy. All right, now we're back to our Monday. So what you will need, of course we're gonna need brushes, right? Since we said we was gonna paint. This here, I believe I got it from Sam's. I wanna say Sam's, okay? And it's just a premium brush set of 40 brushes, okay? In here. So what I'm looking for, one that has like a nice pointy look to it, which I think I'm going to take this. So I have never done this before, so hopefully it'll come out. I mean, we're just putting on a little design. So in here I have alcohol, and I'm going to take, let's see here, I don't think I want much. How about 1/2 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol. I'm going to put it in this little dish here. It looked like that was a little over, but it's okay. Close this back up. Now, since this is made with lemongrass essential oil, I thought that we would do yellow and green. So here I have yellow oil locking mica shimmer from Choices. We're going to use that much, okay? Doesn't seem like the light is on. Give me 1 minute. I hope you can see that I raised the bath bomb up just a little higher, so you're able to see that. Okay, so I have 1 scoop of yellow. Now I'm going to take just a scoop of the green. We're gonna start there and see if it's enough. So let's stir our yellow in. Our green. Stir that green up. Okay. Look how pretty that is. All right, so that's the green mica. Lay that there. Let me show you the yellow. That's the yellow. All right, I have 2 brushes. Let me take this brush here first. Swirl it around. Make sure it's all dissolved. All right. Want anything to drop where you don't want it to go. Take your time. Try not to drag. So that's nice. And then I'll put 1 here, like that. Okay. Now, take my yellow. Okay, let me turn so I can see. Take my yellow and I'm just gonna do just some dots like that. How was everyone doing today? It's another week, right? Another week. And you can do whatever you like to your bath bomb. This is just what I'm just freestyling in my mind, in my head, going along. Once we finish with all of our decorating of the bath bombs, then we're gonna do a tester. Now, I have never, ever painted bath bombs before, so this is a first for me, okay? Let me give y'all the quote of today before I forget. I think that's cute. What do y'all think? Let me stop and give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, happy days. I like that. Quote of today, happy days. All right. Should I put another little green line here? Maybe one right there. One more circle over here. And that's it. Okay. And this is our lemongrass. So take this off the cup now. There you go. So you can get a better look at it. Okay, sit this one down. All right, let's place this one here. See, that looks dry, but that's okay. I'm not worrying about it. What should we do? Yellow now. Let's see if we can work something out. So all you're doing is just whatever you like to do, you know? Okay. Like so. I like this. It's time consuming, as we can see, right? It's gonna take a lot of time. But it gives your bath bomb a personal look, right? And it smells really good. Really, really good. There you go. Let's talk about bath bombs. Bath bombs are nice, you know, to relax. You shouldn't do a bath bomb every day. Maybe once or twice a month to treat yourself. Use this one as our tester. So let's work on this as well, even though it's crap. Who cares? This is the one we are going to use. And of course, I mixed the wrong brush. So now we get a mixture of the yellow and the green, which is fine. Okay. And we're just gonna see what that's gonna give us. Let's get some yellow in there. Rubbing alcohol. So most of it just evaporates right into the air. That's it. All right, so that's our sample that we're going to use. Is it warming up where you live yet? Or are you still working with the cold? Look at that. Look how pretty. Very cute. Lemon to my lime. Oh, look at this. Remember, I told you what you can do with the little pieces, the crumbs. See that? That ring of crumbs? How cute. Put some music on. So our lemon to my lime, lemongrass essential oil are done. Isn't that beautiful? And then we'll go head on to the next ones. You have a good day. I love you. Mwah. And I see you in the next video. Shout out Monday goes to all of you. Love you much. And I see you Wednesday. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video, okay? And share my videos. Have a good day.